Everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well, and if yes, then please do check our playlist. You will find many videos that will help you in cracking your interviews. Check out the playlist. There are approximately 200 plus videos which are based on quality analysts, trainers, team leaders, operation managers, operations KPI, WFM analyst, then again Six Sigma certification, MS Excel dashboards, reports. Many more videos are there, guys, that will definitely help you in cracking your interview. So today we came up with another concept, that is on how to use this task manager using MS Excel, how we can use this. Okay, so let's see. So what is the thing we are learning here? See, if I do want this checkbox as in status is completed, you can see automatically it's getting completed and the task is showing in a different color, along with a strike line is getting updated here. You can see here. Okay, so how this got created, actually how this got created, we will learn this today. Okay, so what we have to do is, let me delete everything, or else I'll paste it to the, or else I'll delete everything. Okay, this will be easy for you guys to understand. Let me do this. Okay, let me add few things now again. Okay, let me do one thing here. Just I added the name here, I went to color and I took one color. Okay, that's it. This is one thing I have done. In status, what I have done here is, if you want to know how the status got updated here, let me go in this way. If I go to insert, I'll get an option of inserting a checkbox. Let me drag it to the last. Okay, this is also done. Now let me give you an understanding how this is working. So equal to if condition, bracket open, if this checkbox is true, if the checkbox is true, I'll get answer as completed, or else I'll get the answer as pending. Let me again add this under double quotes, pending, bracket close. Let me check either it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. I'll teach you this also, how this color code got changed. Okay, it's working. Let me drag this formula to the last. Yeah, it's done. If I check here, this is working. Yeah, this is working. The formula is very easy. If the status column is equal to true, then it's completed, or else it's pending. Now let's learn how this is getting updated. Okay, let me go to insert, or else format. Yeah, let me go to format, then conditional formatting. Something is added here. Let me remove this. Okay, if I remove this column, this formula is not working. The color coding is not getting changed, and I'm not getting a strike line also. So how we can add this? Let me select all the tasks. Let me add one rule here. If you go to rule, in the format cell option, choose custom formula. In custom formula, you just use equal to $sign. Now you can see where is this compliance audit is. Compliance audit is at D48. Let me mention here, D48. If this D48 is equal to completed, PLETED. Okay, if this D48, not D48, sorry, F48, if F48 is equal to completed, this is F, and if it is completed, I need fill this color. Let me check either it's working or not. Okay, what it's showing, if I choose, it's showing. Let me go again on the rule. Okay, let me close here. So what the formula we have used here, let me reselect it. Go to format, conditional formatting. Yeah, here it is. If this F48 is completed, F48. Okay, now I added $sign, which means this is applicable for all, is equal to completed. If this is the scene, then it will give me a color as green, along with there is a strike through line. I'll choose this also, and done. Let me see either it's working or not. Yes, it's working. You can see here, if it is showing completed, the color is getting changing to green, as well as a strike through line is also getting updated. Yes, this is working. Again, if I remove this, it is moving back to the same thing. I hope you understood. So I just selected this all the task option. I went to conditional formatting. I have chosen custom formula is equal to $sign F48. What is this F48? F where remarks are added, and I added this first remark on 48th place. So F48 equal to complete. Automatically it will take everything for the rest of the formulas. Okay, so this is in this. You can also do one more thing. If you want to add underline, you can add underline rather than you can remove this strike line here. You can do this also. Okay, see here, strike line removed, but you can see italic form got updated. We want underline, not italic. Let me choose this underline. Okay, sorry, it's italic, underline, bold, everything we required here on this. Sorry, my miss. We need to go to here, close, format, conditional formatting. We got this formula. Scroll down, remove italic, add underline. Done. Now if you see, yes, it's working. So we have to choose this. All the task is mandatory thing. Then only we'll able to see this formula. So you still have any doubt, let me know, guys. I'll definitely help you in the comment section, and also let me know on which particular topic you required the videos. That's all, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.